What does it take to be a master investor? Is it luck, a once-in-a-lifetime stock pick, or maybe just being born into wealth? Or maybe it's something else altogether. So what is this mystery formula? And how does this apply to wealth building? Let's break it down. Hello, and welcome to the Compounding Mindset with Axis Mutual Fund. I am Ashdin Doctor, your habit coach. And the formula we are talking about is the brainchild of a famous author, journalist, and public speaker. It is the 10,000 hour rule. This rule suggests that achieving mastery in any field requires about 10,000 hours of dedicated practice. And this applies to money just as much as it does sports, music, or science. Think about the greatest athletes. Whatever sport you might think of, the tennis legends, the cricket champions, none of them just woke up one day and became champions. They trained, practiced, failed, and refined their craft for years. The same goes for great investors. Any of the millionaires or billionaires that you admire all dedicated years to understanding the markets before they became legends. And this is possibly how they did it. Step 1, learning is earning. Before you invest a single rupee, you need knowledge. Investing isn't about gambling. It's about understanding trends, analyzing risks, and making informed decisions. If you want to build wealth, you need to put in the hours. Now, does this mean you need a finance degree to succeed? Not at all. But you do need to dedicate time to learning. And where can you start? Read books. And there are many out there that can teach you different investment strategies. Second, follow financial news and understand market movements. And of course, podcasts like this one. Third, learn the basics of mutual funds, stocks, bonds, real estate. Fourth, study past investment failures to avoid common pitfalls. The more time you spend investing in learning, the smarter your money decisions will be. Step 2, repetition creates mastery. Think of investment like practicing an instrument. The first time you play a guitar, your fingers hurt, the chords sound terrible, but with practice, you get better. The same goes for money. You won't get everything right from day one, but small, consistent actions like budgeting, investing regularly, tracking expenses builds financial muscle memory. Start small. Set up an SIP, systematic investment plan. Track your spending for a month. Study a few stocks before investing. Over time, these habits will make you a confident investor. Step 3, compounding rewards the consistent. Here's where the magic happens. The more time you spend learning and practicing, the bigger your financial gains can be. Why? Because of compounding. Because 1 can double into 2, 2 can into 4, 4 can potentially grow into 8. You get the picture. The more you invest and the longer you let it potentially grow, the bigger your financial gains can be. This principle can be applied to your habits and your investments like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and even retirement accounts. So, by dedicating time to learning and practicing financial strategies, you're essentially setting yourself up for exponential growth. It's all about letting your money work for you. Step 4, discipline separates the pros from the rest. What separates a world-class athlete from an amateur? Discipline. The same is true for financial success. Anyone can make a lucky trade, but real wealth comes from consistent, disciplined investing. And what does that discipline mean? It means sticking to your plan, even when the markets crash. It means not chasing the latest hot stock, but instead focusing on long-term gains. It means avoiding panic selling and staying committed to your financial goals. Now, step 5, which would be me telling you how to apply the 10,000 hour rule to your money. Learn daily. Spend at least 15 to 30 minutes reading or researching finance. Practice consistently. Make small, smart money moves. Invest, budget, save. Let compounding work. The earlier you start, the bigger your gains can be. Stay disciplined. Don't get swayed by trends. Stick to your financial plan. Building wealth isn't about shortcuts. It's about dedication, patience, and smart choices. So whether you're just starting or already investing, keep putting in the hours. Because the longer you commit, the greater your financial success can be. I'm Ashdin Doctor, signing off. Keep investing, keep learning, and remember, wealth mastery is a marathon, not a sprint. Join us next time on The Compounding Mindset with Axis Mutual Fund. Success isn't about one big leap. It's built with small, consistent steps that compound over time. That's exactly what The Compounding Mindset by Axis Mutual Fund is all about. I am Ashdin Doctor, your host, and each week I'll bring you practical insights that turn everyday habits into powerful growth for your finances and your mindset. New episodes drop every week, so hit subscribe on YouTube and follow us on all your favorite audio platforms. Get ready to start compounding your future one habit at a time. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.